like some fuzzy little cat balls, all right?
What's up, everybody? Welcome back. I hope you're having an awesome new year. I hope you enjoyed the holiday season. Today we're going to do something a little bit different. We're going to start by going to GR Auto Gallery to check out some of the awesome cars they have over there, including my other car. I haven't shown this car before on the channel. It's actually for sale. It's over at this place called GR Auto Gallery that specializes in vehicles like this one. And after that, we'll finish up the catch can on the four-door and do a few other things to it. So let's go check it out. All right, here we are at GR Auto Gallery. This place always has a lot of really cool cars. All of these are on consignment for sale. I'll put a link below if you want to check any of them out. But we'll take a quick walk through and see what they've got. First up, we have a Toyota Serra, a right-hand drive JDM import with some gull-wing style doors. This is a really neat car. You don't really see many of these. Here's a really nice Jaguar XJS V12 version in a cool green color. This is a really beautiful car. Chevy Nova, set up for some kind of racing. This thing gives off some Mad Max vibes in the front end there. Z32, 2+2. Mustang GT. Old Camaro. 911 Targa 4. All-wheel drive, Targa top. These are really cool Porsches. Austin Healey 3000. Old Trans Am. This massive Dodge M37. This thing is incredible. Chevy SSR, Volkswagen Beetle. Really, really clean MG. Lingenfelter Camaro ZL1. Love the carbon fiber up there. That's a cool looking truck. This is the cleanest Willys Jeep I think I've ever seen. Still has the machine gun up top. This FJ is absolutely stunning. Perfect color, gorgeous condition. Really nice Mustang Mach 1. Not really a Mustang guy, but this is a really, really nice example. And that brings us to this little gem. This is my car. It's a Factory 5 MK2 Roadster, what most people recognize as a Shelby Cobra. This car was built by my grandparents. It was completed in 2003, and it only has 238 miles on it. It's won a few awards and trophies at local car shows. It has a fully built Ford 302, and it's just a stunning car. It was a very difficult decision to sell it, but the reality is I don't enjoy driving this car. I love the history and the memories with this car. I'll always have those, but I'm not in love with the car itself. Cars are meant to be driven and enjoyed, and it's time to pass it along to somebody who will take it out on the weekends and enjoy it to the fullest. Once this car sells, I do intend to replace it with something that's a little bit more my style, something that I enjoy driving a lot more, and something that my wife enjoys riding in. She's not a big fan of convertibles. I will miss the rumble of a cammed V8 with side pipes. There's no doubt about that. We're back at the garage, and now it's time to finish the catch can on the 4-door.
Around shit holding by. Nothing like some fuzzy little cat balls, all right? All right. 7. 4. Okay. Oh my God. You sure? Oh, okay. Inch and an eighth, I guess. A little bit lower in there, but it might just sit flush with it. You know? Give it one more stretch. We'll see. Try it one more time. Let's see if I can get a little bit more of a stretch out of it. Oh, haha! Tight. Fits. That would not be pleasant to sit on. So now we know where we need to cut. That one there. And that one there. It's all right. And if we fucking do this right, if I hole saw through that fucker perfectly, which is, you know, one of those fingers crossed type moments, I can use the bottom of this as our piece instead of having to cut another big piece out of the sheet. Nice. So that's cool. We'll leave that guy on.
Just don't screw it up.
Thanks. Thanks. Where's my drill bit? That's hot. Drill's cold. And my drill bit's in there now. Bitch! Well, thank God we got in there, it's not. Okay. A couple little big gaps, but okay, that's what a welder's for. Yep. That's what a welder.
Shout out to Jay's dad.
Filter. And he's talking to the OSHA guy. He's like, "Yeah, we don't get OSHA stopping by here too much." It's like, "You guys like wear safety glasses and stuff?" He's like, "Sometimes." It's drilling into this plate, and as he does it, this thing bites and it grabs and it drags around and it slices through his shirt. Oh. He cuts his stomach in front of the OSHA guy. The OSHA guy's just like, Cody's just shaking.
What was he wearing the glasses?
No, no. Tackaroo. I'm gonna tack this guy back on before we do. Shit, no, we gotta get that one welded on first. No, yeah. Yeah, nope. Shit!
Also, shout out to Jay's dad.
Hi, Dad. Enjoy Florida.
Very cool.
Catch can.
Almost done.
Get her welded together so we can drill holes in turbos.
Perfect.
Takes a little bit of time, but it's worth it in the end. Try that. Oh!
There's a catch can. Here's Jay's 240. Drift car project in the works. It's got an SR20 in it. Kind of already set up for drift, but just gonna put a cage in it and learn to drift next year. Jay got the boost control solenoid all rigged up to the wastegate and the turbo. Jay took on the challenge of making this line a hard line all the way down through the manifold into the block there.
I like wiring. It's kind of feeds my little OCD, but I can like cut things up and make them fit. Everybody's afraid of it, so it's a good niche for me. Niche.
You've been doing a lot of it lately. Between this car, the Mustang.
Yeah. The guy stopped in and checked out the Mustang, and I told him what I was gonna do. I was like, I'm gonna cut this whole, like, you know, we bought a brand new Edelbrock 5 kit for it, and we cut it all off and just made it fit in his engine bay with like his factory wires. It turned out really nice. I was really happy with it, but
yeah, it looks good.
It's kind of like, I'm gonna cut up a brand new wiring harness, man. He's like, do you know what you're doing? I was like, yeah, yeah, I know what I'm doing.
If it makes you feel better, yep. Also, shout out to Jay's dad.
Yeah, hi Dad.
Also, the blue belts are gone. That bugged me so much, but still waiting on one of them. 2 of the 3 have been replaced with black ones now, though. And here we have the catch can, basically finished. The only thing left to do is paint. It's going to be like a wrinkled black, but came out really, really nice. The edges are perfect. The filter is, Jay calls it Frenched in. It's just kind of recessed in there. Nice and clean and tidy. Have the sight down there to see when I need to drain it out. Something that's really weird about work wheels is they don't make center caps for the 2 and the 3-piece Workmeisters. I don't know why, it makes no sense, but it really bothered me to have these nice Workmeisters on the 2-door and a nice old rusty hub sticking right through the middle. It bothered me a lot. So there's a guy on Instagram, I'll put a link down below. He CNC machines these aluminum center caps for the Workmeisters. It makes it complete. So shout out to Andy for making these caps. Huge difference. Work makes center caps for the 1-piece Meisters, but not the 2 and the 3. I don't get it. So much better. Looks complete now. There's the front and the rear. Really nice machining on those caps too. Take notes, work. Make some caps for your Meisters. I do have center caps on the way from work for these Work Emotions. Work does make them, so those are coming. I also got a big box from Plasma Man for the two-door. Super excited about it. It's the intake manifold, throttle body, fuel rail. I ordered those in September and they just showed up here at the beginning of January. It's in that box up there. We'll show you that soon because we're gonna tear into the two-door pretty soon. The four-door doesn't have a whole lot left to do. We're about to do some plumbing on it, finish up some various things, and still have the ECU to do, but we're going to pull the head on the two-door very soon, and we'll start going through all of the parts for that build. We're really excited for that one. It's gonna be even more fun than the four-door's been, so stick around for that. I hope you enjoyed today's video. It was a lot of fun to make. We appreciate you tuning in. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.